Okay, let me show you how I put these bazillion tails together. It looks harder than it actually is. Let's have a look here. 4 tails are going behind this middle one, and the other 4 tails go on the other side behind the middle one. Basically what we do, we start with a circle, 6 single crochet in a magic ring, and then 6 increases, and that's it. It's a circle of 12 stitches. I take my first tail, find the first stitch and the next stitch in my circle, crochet that on. I go into the last stitch of the tail, grab the next tail, go through the first one and find the next stitch in the circle. Now I have 3 layers and I go through all of them. I go again through the last stitch of the tail and into the first stitch of the next one. Now you want to do this until you have 5 tails together. I have 4 now, and now I attach my 5th. Okay, so I have 5 tails on here now. Now it changes a little bit. I'm still taking the next stitch, but I don't place it behind anymore. I now place it in front. So the first stitch of the new tail and the last stitch of the old tail, and we find the next stitch in the circle. Place it in front, first stitch of the new tail, last stitch of the old tail, and the circle. New tail, old tail, circle. New tail, old tail, circle. Now I only have the last stitch of my last tail left over, so I'm going to go in and do that. Now let me show you how that looks by now. Looks a little bit like a flower, doesn't it? Like an incomplete flower. We're going to fix that next.